नहीं छोड़ेंगे।
नहीं छोड़ेंगे।
वाह आमची मुंबई, हाउ ब्रेव यू आर। आपके जज्बे और हिम्मत को हमारा सलाम। एक दूसरे से करते हैं प्यार हम, एक दूसरे के लिए करार हम, एक दूसरे के वास्ते मरना पड़े तो है तैयार हम, है तैयार हम।
United we stand, divided we fall.
Very true.
With Mumbai by our side, we can overcome all hurdles.
जीना यहाँ, मरना यहाँ, इसके सिवा जाना कहाँ। अरे जाना कहाँ, रहना है अपनी मुंबई में, क्योंकि यह है मुंबई है जहाँ।
We always celebrate the life and thriving zeal of our Mumbai.
Students, the people in Mumbai are very hardworking. Even though their days are full of hustle and bustle, but the night is always lit with light and music. That's why we work hard, but we party harder. Disco Diwali!
Something about tonight. There's something about tonight. Something very special. Something about the way you move that thing. Something very special. Something about the way you look at that thing. Something very special. There's something about tonight. Something very special. There's something about tonight, something very special. Something about the way you move that thing, something very special. There's something about tonight, something very special.
सारी की सारी दुनिया भुला के मैं तो तेरे नाल नचना।
You're so sexy.
Oh, you could be my one and only. मैं तो तेरे नाल नचना। And then I see you looking at me. आजा बात कर दिल की। होने लगेंगे अफसाने।
You know it, so say it. Now throw your hands up and say.
Oh, disco divane. Chili है रात, वो आँखों में रात, नाचेगा ऐसा।
There's something about tonight, something very special. Something about the way you move that thing, something very special.
Disco divane.
Shit, your body together.
Disco साल बैक खेल मिला होगा ये देख लंबी रेस का का कर्ज है मैं मर के भी चुकाऊंगा तुझे मिट्टी कर दूंगा या फिर मिट्टी में मिल जाऊंगा टोपी का मैं वो करके दिखाऊंगा दुनिया से हूँ खाली हाथ नहीं जाऊंगा मैं सबका पकड़ छाड़ दूंगा तो मैं उखाड़ दूंगा जहाँ से आया है ना वही तुझे गाड़ दूंगा तेरी जमीन पे आज तुझे ही पछाड़ दूंगा झंडा इंडिया पे गाड़ दूंगा मुझे कोई परवाह नहीं मैं दिखाऊं मुझे कोई परवाह नहीं माँ ही मेरा रब है मेरी माँ ही मेरा पीर मेरी माँ के पैरों के अलावा कोई दरगाह नहीं नाचूंगा मुझको फिक्र है नाचूंगा मजबूर है आज की शाम मेरी माँ के है नाम मेरी माँ मुझे देखेगी नाचना जरूर है मैं जीतूं या हारूं मुझे नाचना जरूर है मेरी माँ मुझे देखेगी नाचना जरूर है नाचना जरूर है मुझे नाचना जरूर है माँ मुझे नाचना जरूर है माँ मेरी देखेगी नाचना जरूर है रंग केसर शूराया रंग सब्ज खिली फुलकारियाँ ओ रंग चिट्टा नीयत साफ़दार ओ रंग तीनों जान से प्यारे रंग तीनों जान से प्यारे
मेरी माई का रंग सच्चाई का हर अच्छाई का है
वंदे
and how far we have to go, which will bring you across the abundance of emotion, colors and joy. नमस्कार, आदाब, आभार और आप सबका सत्कार. Ladies and gentlemen, a very warm welcome to this absolutely beautiful, wonderful and auspicious day that brings together so many special people like you. Welcome to Narayana Techno School, Pioneer Branch, second cultural event, Kruti 2017, Mumbai Meri Jaan. दोस्तों, कहते हैं मंजिल उनको मिलती है जिनके सपनों में जान होती है. कहते हैं मंजिल उनको मिलती है जिनके सपनों में जान होती है. सिर्फ पंखों से कुछ नहीं होता दोस्तों, सिर्फ पंखों से कुछ नहीं होता दोस्तों, हौसलों से उड़ान होती है, हौसलों से उड़ान होती है. Dear audience, how lovely is this day? And so does the ambience and the aura surrounding it. Soon, the colors of this annual extravaganza will unfold and will take you to the another mesmerizing journey of Mumbai Meri Jaan. Further, I would request Principal Ma'am Dr. Snigdha Kadam to escort Syed Sir and all the dignitaries to escort Syed Sir for lighting the lamp. असतो मा सद्गमय तमसो मा ज्योतिर्गमय मृत्योर्मा अमृतं गमय शान्ति 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 दया कल्याण विद्या का हमें परमात्मा देना दया करना हमारी आत्मा को शुद्धता देना हमारे ध्यान में आओ प्रभु आंखों में बस जाओ अंधेरे दिल में आकर के परम ज्योति जगा देना दया करना विद्या का हमें परमात्मा देना.
I would request our principal ma'am, Dr. Sneeta Kadam, the beautiful and charming personality, a seasoned scholar under whose guidance we are able to do all these things. Ma'am, we welcome you to take in hand the audience.
Beautiful morning and another day so bright. The light of the sun brings the calmness on sight. Mornings are for some new hopes. Mornings are for new beginnings. So fasten your seat belt. Hold your breath. Let's start the day with Narayana E-Techno School's annual day, Kruti 2017. A very good morning and a warm welcome to one and all present here for the second annual day of Narayana E-Techno School Bhayandar. I value the presence of our Dean of entire Mumbai zone, Mr. Syed Khan sir, my colleague principals of different branches of Mumbai, Arjuman ma'am, principal of Andheri branch, Anagha ma'am, principal of Nalasopara branch, Bhavna ma'am, principal of Thane branch, Nikita ma'am, principal of Kalyan branch, and various vice principals of different branches. It's an immense pleasure to see such a large audience of parents. I extend my heartfelt thanks for your valuable presence. I take the opportunity to present the annual report for the academic year 2017-18. As rightly said by Aristotle, we are what we repeatedly do. Excellence then is not an act, but a habit. We at Narayana Group of Schools offer a strong foundation and promises best subject knowledge enhancement with different methodologies of foundation and implementation for all the medical and engineering streams related competitive courses, entrance examinations, and hence to enable the students for the same. Every week we conduct JE and CDF, and twice in a month we conduct NTOP for 4th and 5th standard. It's a pride to announce that 4 students of E-Techno section have reached the E5 level. Master Anshu Mittal, standard 7th, Miss Tharini Chettiar, standard 7, Master Vidhan Agarwal, standard 8, Miss Hani Siroya, standard 8. I'm proud to share that we have shown a remarkable success in the competitive exams. Master Harsh Singh of standard 9 was selected for prestigious Regional Maths Olympiad exam. In AMTI, 4 students are selected for junior level, 14 students for sub-junior, whereas 13 students for primary level. In Homi Baba Bal Vaidyanik exam, Master Harsh Singh of standard 9th is selected for stage 2 practical examination, whereas 24 students are qualified for certification. In maths concept exam, 13 students got merit. Co-sports play an important role in fitness of our students, and Taekwondo training has been given to the students in-house. we have shown excellent performance in the Rural Games National Taekwondo Championship, wherein we got 3 gold, 5 silver and 4 bronze medals. Really, my staff and my students deserve a round of applause. In DSO Taekwondo, we bagged 8 gold, 7 silver and 1 bronze medal, and 8 students are selected for divisional level. In Masters Cup 2017 Karate competition, Master Hiranya Gehlot of Standard 4th won silver medal at All India Invitational Karate Championship. Herein, we have blended activities with academics, and the outcome is the result of hard work, dedication and determination of the staff and the students of Narayana E-Techno School, Bhayandar. Let's take a glimpse of the academic year 2017-18. The year started with International Yoga Day to balance the mental and physical development of students, which was followed by Doctor's Day and Nutrition Day. The overwhelming response of the parents have increased the beauty of Grandparents' Day and Parents' Day. Puppet show was the major attraction of the Children's Day. Hindi Divas was celebrated to promote our national language. Green Lab activities were flooded with rally, poster making, tree plantation and many more. Poster making activity was the main attraction of the World Environment Day. Fancy dress competition and heritage club activity were the parent-student activities. Dear parents, it was a great success because of your enthusiasm and creativity. I think you also deserve a round of applause. Thank you, parents. Theme of the month has a unique impact on the mind of students about themselves and their surroundings. Apart from this, we do concentrate on fine motor skills, gross motor skills, self-care skills and sensorial skills. Unique assembly was presented on various topics such as aquatic animals, oceans and continents, Guru Purnima, Save Plants, Save Animals, World Citizen Day and etc. To enable the students to understand the concept of colors, we have celebrated the different color blooms such as red, blue, yellow, green. To inculcate leadership qualities, the student council elections were conducted in Narayana E-Techno School, Bhayandar. Speeches, campaigning, ballot boxes, polling booth, really, it was indeed a great voting experience for our students. Soft skill department have presented the installation of Narayana English Club to promote English speaking skills and enhance personality development. Competitions are essential part of regular school curriculum. Different competitions were conducted in-house to enhance the competitive spirit. These competitions were only for the E-Champ section. 1-minute presentation on historical events, eco-friendly Ganesha model making, ancient tools making, solo singing, greeting card, etc. To imbibe the cultural spirits among the students, we celebrated various festivals such as Eid, Raksha Bandhan, Dashera, Thali and Dandiya decoration were the attraction of the Navratri celebration. Diwali was celebrated by conducting lantern making competition wherein we got thundering response from the parents. Thank you once again, parents. To give a first-hand experience, we have taken our students to the field trip at DMART and Fire Station for unique opportunities of learning that are not available within the 4 walls of classroom. To inculcate the true spirit of patriotism, the leaders of tomorrow, my dear students, have celebrated Independence Day with great enthusiasm. All this has been possible because of strong support and cooperation of the management, parents, students, staff, and yes, my 3 pillars, my vice principals, Ms. Brivenda Murzello ma'am, Vice Principal of E-Techno section, Ms. Shruti Deshpande ma'am, Vice Principal of E-Champ section, and Ms. Ashwini Pathan Shetty ma'am, Vice Principal of E-Kids section. Hoping for the same response, support from the parents as well as from my staff for the upcoming years. Now dear parents, it's time to chill, to cheer, to shine, to inspire and to motivate. I'm sure you will enjoy Kruti 2017, Mumbai Meri Jaan, the colors of Mumbai.
This is the time we all were waiting for. Yes? So are you all ready? Before starting, I need a promise from you all, that is, you all are going to give abundance of clap to our little angels.
Make a line quietly, don't push. Our closeted eyes can be bigger.
बता दे